On your Android phone, you can usually see your battery indicator up top. Sometimes, it'll show the battery percentage too. If you want to change the style of this battery indicator on your Android phone, you can do that. In this video, we'll explain how. First, open Settings on your phone. You'll see an option called Display. Tap on Display, and inside, you'll find an option for Control Center and Notification Shade. Click on that, and you'll see the battery indicator option. I'm using a Poco phone, so the options look like this on Poco devices. If you're using a different brand of phone, here's what you can do. Open Settings, and at the top, you'll see a Search Settings option. Tap on it and search for battery. When you search for battery, you'll see several options. One of them will be the battery indicator. Tap on that, and you'll find the battery indicator option. Select it, and from here, you can choose your preferred style. If you don't want to show the battery percentage, pick this one. If you want the percentage inside the battery icon, choose this one, or you can pick this option too. If you select this, the battery percentage will appear outside the icon. For example, I'm choosing this one. That's how you can easily set the battery indicator style on your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.